Guys, unfortunately my camera was acting a little wonky, so I only have 3 minutes of footage from Goodwill. Um, I had picked out a few items in my cart, and you will see the items at the end of this video in the haul portion, but there was some setting in my camera that was causing terrible video. Like, you could see my feet, which I had my cute Converse on, that's fine, but everything was reversed. I tried for about 30 minutes to fix this, guys, so I decided just to go ahead and show you the plate section, which is all that I was able to use for this video. So I do apologize. I was at Goodwill for about 20 minutes. I did a really quick run on my way somewhere else. I thought those glasses, those plates were pretty cool, very 80s, very Art Deco looking. I'm drawn to that because of the purple. I didn't pick up any plates, but I did pick up some other items. Again, you'll see them at the end of this video. A lot of these pieces I had seen before, so I was just kind of skimming through that section as fast as I could. Those are really pretty as well. It was a really hot day, and I was also trying to avoid people, so I didn't linger too much in one spot. I do apologize for that. And no, this isn't a really exciting shop along, but I wanted you guys to see that I found some stuff at Goodwill. I thought that lasagna dish was cute, but I didn't need it. There were some completely bare shelves as usual, but the actual plate section was pretty well stocked. Here we have some pretty blue plates. So that is actually melamine and Merrimack. Not sure which. It was the red section, so they had a lot of red dishes, as you can see. I'm not quite sure what that was. It was also expensive, so I skimmed over that pretty fast. Mark Twain's Home souvenir plate. I did end up getting a souvenir piece, but it was not that plate. I got something really cool, and you'll see it at the end of the video. Yes, I'm going to keep saying that. A lot of clear glass dishes. Guys, welcome to the haul portion of today's video. I did get a couple of these items at Goodwill, and the other I got at a local thrift store. It is the charity store that I'm always talking about that does so much for my community. So I'm always glad to spend money there because I know it makes a difference. Okay, so as you saw in the shop along, there were a lot of bare shelves, which we are definitely used to whenever you go shopping with me at Goodwill. However, I did pick up two things there, and I'm actually really excited. The first thing I got there was this. This is a souvenir piece from Yellowstone Park. It is this carved wood, and it is really cool. I do not know the age of this yet. I have not researched. I went ahead and cleaned everything and got them ready to show in this haul, so I don't know anything about them. Now, there is a little bit of a scratch right there, but it is not bad. And it may come out. I'm really not sure. I might have to do a little bit of research on that, see if there's some way we can get rid of that. But this piece is just super cool. You've got holly, you got these pretty flowers, you got a rose, you have some pears and apples and grapes. Whenever I see these, I do tend to get them if they're in good shape. And this one definitely is. I was very happy to get it. Here is the back. Multi Productions, I think, USA 1959. I was about to say, I do believe this is from the 50s. And I was right. So there is that piece. I think it's really cool. I think it's really boho. It would go with any boho decor. It would look fun in a kitchen. It would even work for cottagecore, I think. It's just really cool. Okay, next up I got this really pretty dish. This is depression glass, and it is etched, as you can see here. I do not know the pattern, so I'm going to have to look that up as well. And this looks very Art Deco to me, I guess with the lines. It is a really pretty pedestal dish. I'm not sure. I guess it could be a compote. It could be a candy dish. It could be whatever you want it to be. I personally would probably leave it the way it is because it's so beautiful with this delicate etching. And there are a couple of scratches on the glass, and I do believe they would come out with an emery board. They are not bad at all, especially considering how old this piece is. So I was very happy to get that. I did pick this up at the charity shop. Okay, I also got this at the charity shop. Now this is not vintage, as you can see, but this is a beautiful Brahma bull. You know, I love Brahma bulls. I think they're beautiful. I love their hump. I love their sweet faces. So something drew me to this. I know absolutely nothing about it, but it's really nice quality. I'm assuming the sticker, you know, obviously it's not here, so there was probably a sticker on it at some point. So I'm going to do a little bit of research on him. I don't know if he'll go into a live sale or if he'll just go on eBay. He may be an eBay item. Mugs like this do sell on eBay for me, so we'll see. If you see anything you're interested in this video, definitely let me know. Now, some of these may go into my live sale, so they may not be available, but it doesn't hurt to reach out if you see something you're interested in. Okay, next up, I got this piece of opalescent Fenton. This is just a small dish. It's a ruffled dish, and it's so pretty. I do have my black light close by. Let me just take a look, see if we can see any of the opalescence coming through. Okay, and as you can see, if you just kind of look at the tips, you can see it. Now, this really isn't a glower, it's just opalescent, but I wanted you to see, you know, on the sides that it is opalescent. It has that really pretty glow. Very, very pretty piece in excellent condition as well. Love it. Okay. I don't know how she got moved, but I got this adorable nun figurine as well. I did pick this up at the local charity shop, as well as that Fenton piece. She is so cute. Look at her, and look at her little bird. I love her. Unfortunately, she is not marked. I'm not sure. She could possibly be left in. I'm not really sure. Maybe NAPCO. I will definitely find out, and she will definitely be in a live sale. I know several people will love her. And, I mean, she's so cute. She's just a very happy, sweet nun. Okay, and so this I picked up because I thought it was cool. I thought people that junk journal might appreciate this. You could definitely, you know, photocopy the pages if you wanted to. This is a book of Victorian designs and motifs. Look at that one. Absolutely beautiful. I love this coloring book. There is a lot of detail in all of these. I would, if I was to purchase something like this, I would definitely make photocopies of the pictures that I like. Look at that. That's so cute with that crane down there. Oh my gosh, look at her. She is magnificent. So as you can see, there are a lot of really cool graphics and illustrations in this book. This is from 2014, so it's not old, but I think it's something you guys would really like. Oh, look at that. Just a really, really cool book. I'm seeing if it says how many illustrations are in here. I don't know if it does or not. It doesn't say how many, but look at the first page. Absolutely phenomenal. Maybe it says on the back. Fairies. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's another coloring book. I don't see where it says how many are in here, but this book is really, really cool. And of course, if you wanted to use it as a coloring book, hey, it's perfect for that as well. But I did get this at Goodwill, and I'm very glad that I picked it up. Okay, this, guys, let me move it back a little so you can see it a little better. I got this piece of art glass at the local charity shop, and this is some sort of dish. Maybe it's a candy dish. It's so So pretty. I love the colors. I love the top. I like this little finial effect. This is applied glass here on top. The colors in this piece are just amazing. I think this is so pretty. And this is a little large. Here is the bottom. You can see a faint ponto mark down there. It's pretty clear on the bottom. So I don't know if this is Murano or not. I don't think it is. I'm going to call it art glass, but it's really well done art glass. Just absolutely beautiful. Let me kind of bring it back there. It is tall. It's about as tall as that pedestal dish right there. I was very surprised when I found this. I love this. I think it's stunning. And I know some of you guys will love this as well. Okay, well, I hope you had fun shopping with me today. I definitely had a great time. I was in a little bit of a hurry, so it was a shorter video than what I would have wanted, but I did go through all of the aisles at Goodwill that have items that I would pick up. I always go through their furniture as well, and just to see what they have. I don't have a truck, so I'm not going to be picking up furniture anytime soon, but it was really fun to look, and it keeps making me want to maybe start a booth somewhere so I can sell furniture, but I think I need to hold off on that for a while. I think I've got enough going on with this and with eBay. Okay, guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all of your comments and for sharing my channel and all the thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.